Hi friends, welcome back to our channel World Fact. I think you would have guessed today's topic, and yes, today we are going to see about China. As we all know about China, which is the world's fourth largest country by area, its population is about 1.4 billion. China is officially known as People's Republic of China. The national animal of China is the giant panda. Now, in this video, let's see about the top 20 interesting facts about China. Number 1. China has the longest combined land border in the world. This border is shared with 14 other countries. Number 2. Everyone knows that China is very popular in consuming all kinds of meat. That includes poisonous snakes, crocodiles, lizards, insects, bats, dogs, and even cats. About 4 million cats are eaten every year in China as delicacy. It is really a sad news for cat lovers. Number 3. The paper currency was first developed in Tang Dynasty, China during 7th century, and it came to practice in the Europe in 17th century, and thereby it spread to the rest of the world. Number 4. As we all know that China is the first in highest population country in the world, where 18.41% of people in the world are Chinese, which is 1 in 5 people in the world is Chinese. Number 5. China has the highest point in the world, which is Mount Everest at an altitude of 8,848 meters, and it has the third lowest point in the world, which is the Turpan Depression at minus 154 meters below the sea level. Number 6. The game football, which was called as soccer, was invented in China 2000 years ago. The world's first soccer ball was leather ball filled with feathers and hair, and the game was called as Su Chu, which literally means kicking ball. Number 7. The Chinese New Year celebration lasts for 15 days. The New Year in China and European or American New Year is not being celebrated on the same date. The first day on the year, which falls on the new moon between January 21st and February 20, is the New Year celebrated in China, so it differs from year to year. Number 8. It is very great that China has the world's largest standing army. It has 21,83,000 active personnel, which is 1 million more than the US Army. Number 9. China's rail lines are so extensive and long that they would loop around Earth twice, and it has 10 times more high-speed rail than Japan. Number 10. No country on Earth is growing as fast as China. The cities are being transformed fast, and on average there is a new skyscraper somewhere in country every 5 days. In a year, China gets at least 73 new skyscrapers. Number 11. We all know about China, which is famous for its superstitions and beliefs. The Chinese consider number 8 as lucky. The reason for this is because it sounds similar to the Chinese word prosperity, and the color red is a sign of happiness, and that's why it's so frequently used in the festival decorations. Number 13. It is fabulous that Spring Festival is the biggest human migration on planet, with approximately 3 million people taking trips between January 21st and March 1st. Number 14. Chinese people consume around 74 million tons of pork, beef and poultry each year, and half the world's pigs are in China. Number 15. The Asian arowana fish, or better known as dragonfish, is seen as a symbol of good luck and prosperity. Due to overfishing, their value has gone up tenfold across Asia. The record for the highest selling one goes to a Chinese buyer for 3 lakh USD, which is about 2.5 crores in Indian rupees. Number 16. Toilet paper was first invented in China, but initially it was for the emperor's use only. Number 17. It is interesting that starting in the Zhou dynasty, royals and high status individuals would grow their fingernails long as a symbol that they do not work as a manual labor. It's a tradition that is still around today. Number 18. The world's most devastating earthquake hit China, in which it killed 8,30,000 people. Number 19. The Great Wall of China was built over a period of 22,000 years. Number 20. Before 4,000 years ago, Chinese were the one who first invented the ice cream. Now let's move to the bonus fact of China. The Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Google, and lots of other websites are being banned in China in 2009. But at least 95 million people use this app through VPN services, and Chinese use WeChat and Baidu as social media apps. Thanks for watching this video, and please do support and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and give your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you. Have a nice day.